this selector here, there's a little adjuster there. And what you're supposed to do is readjust this every time you change a valve body or remove the valve body and put it back together. The reason why is because the valve body can move a little bit on those bolts. The whole thing can move left and right a little bit. So it's a good idea to readjust this. If these aren't adjusted properly, you will lose pressure and you can have a slight delay in reverse and drive. And this transmission's doing exactly that. So what you do is you loosen that and just push that all the way in and just tighten the little lock nut up again. The way that you do that is you loosen this here. There's a little spring steel bit there, and the vehicle has to be in park. You can see up here it's in park. You loosen that and then just gently push this into the bore and retighten it. And if you have a look there, it's a little bit hard to see, but just in here where my finger is, you can see how much it's actually moved. The white, there you go, you can see that, the white bit there, it's actually moved in that much. So it was out of adjustment. Whether the other valve body was out of adjustment, I don't know, but this one readjusted as well. And that's basically how you do it. I believe there is a lot of confusion as to how to do that, but that's basically how you do it.